We seem to have had a delay to the start. Something's wrong with the net. Like the rest of this rink, it's absolutely dog shit. Two 0 to Canes. Come on, boys. There you go. I don't know if you could hear what he just said, but he needs to take his teeth out to say it again so that we can understand. That's 2-1. Oh, look at the scoreboard. We got this working now. It should say guest 2. Home 1, but apparently they've got 6 fingers and can't count down here in Basingstoke. Oh! Yeah, that'll do it. Three-two. Oh, come on, ref. It's behind you. Oh, it's 3-3. Sorry for any young children listening.
That was Adom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, is he going to watch out? I don't understand what he just said. It was like, he seems clearly disallowing the goal. 4-on-4, no goal. If you missed that, 4-on-4, no goal. And he's put the wrong people in the box, just saying. We have 2 players returning to the ice, 1 from either team. And we have a goal. Let yourself back out now, pal. 4-3 to the Canes. All. How did that stay out? How did that stay out? That's 5-3. 5-4, sorry. Oh! It's 5-all. Oh yeah! Don't knock the plexi down! Oh. 6-6. 2 minutes and 18 seconds left of the second period. Skate, water boy, skate! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! I don't think Rob was very happy about the slash that broke someone's stick. And you're going in the box. Yay! Number 20 for Basingstoke. Come on, Rusty. Oh, come on, ref. Given a penalty shot, I don't know if you can see it, yes? But it's tripping, okay.
You only get one shot, so make it count. You might never get this moment again. The clock is ticking down, it's the final round.
Yeah! Go on, Gamma! There's 18. Yeah! Stay in. (6-9). 4 minutes and 2 seconds to go in the third, despite what the clock says. Yeah! Woo! That's 6-10. There's number 11. I don't know if you can see that number 36, the face cage wanker, like to have a pop. See you later, people.